Now we're going to move on to creating the beak for the chicken. So again, you're going to start off with a little slip knot, insert your 4mm crochet hook. Now the beak is super simple, so you're going to create a magic ring. And now you're going to place 8 single crochets into your magic ring. So now once you have 8 single crochets in your magic ring, you're just going to pull this tail as tight as you can. We just need this to be extremely tight and as small as we can make it. So just pull it as tight as you can, and then we are going to snip off some excess, leaving a long tail for sewing. Pull the yarn all the way through, and then when we go to sew it on, it will look like this.